If there's one thing we've learned in the past 3 years, it's to never take for granted a gathering of the people that matter most in our lives. Thank you for being with us as we celebrate the beginning of our next chapter. We love you.
The good news is you don't have to do this alone. Look to all of these family and friends who are here today. Hear from about a dozen countries.
Some have come from very far away, like Vietnam, California,
Belgium, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, Sweden, Norway, Denmark.
It's amazing to see how far people would travel for an open bar.
But we never imagined how amazingly lucky we would feel to be celebrating with all of you tonight.
For those people here who've asked me about my incredible son-in-law, you've heard me talk about how Jonas has made us better as a family. It really cheers my heart to be able to say that to you because he really does make us better as a family. And for Haley, we thank you for bringing this extraordinary man into our family and for your tender, thoughtful, and discerning heart, and for changing our family for the better. Watching your sense of adventure has been a delight. Little did I know when I took you to JFK in 2015 to go teach math and English in Thailand that you would meet your future husband there. At the Wicked Diving School, you both had an arduous journey those next few years to be together.
You ready? I am.
Many here prayed you through those times. You both persevered remarkably. There were many ups and downs. But you will find it was good training for marriage because ask anyone here, marriage will test you to your limits. Haley and Jonas, we want you both to know, before our families and our friends here today, that we will always be there for you and that we love you very, very much.
We gather to celebrate the marriage of Haley and Jonas. Haley and Jonas, your choice of Nantucket for your wedding, it shows this love of oceans that are deep and wide, this wondering time where we get to be in awe of God's creation, of shores that offer you and all of us present a primeval reminder that we are part of a larger story. It's a story of love.
Now, Denise made clear how much we adore Jonas, and let me spend some time talking about Haley. That's one. Being a parent. 2. You hope they grow to be responsible, sensible human beings. That they are thoughtful and considerate. Haley has all that. And if they find someone they want to spend the rest of their life with, You hope they find someone with those same qualities, and Jonas has all that too. We're so proud of both of you. Live long and prosper.
Jonas, thank you for always sticking up for me. I am so grateful to have you. Well, are you counting for me? This is one. I am so grateful to have you and beyond honored to be your best woman today.
You know I couldn't make a speech without quoting Hamilton. The toast is to the groom and to the bride, from your sister, who is always by your side.